Virgo, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. Titinan natin kung anong parating sa inyo ngayong New Moon in Capricorn sa December 31, 2024 at 6:26 a.m. Philippine time. If you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment, check nyo lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video. At comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Ayan. So, for this reading, maaring mas maka-resonate dito yung mga Virgo rising. So, for you, Virgo, ang New Moon in Capricorn is happening in your 5th house of your creativity, your children, and also your romantic connections. So, yung iba, if you're single, maaring around this time, magkakaroon ka ng interest na makipag-date na. Oo, yung lalabas-labas ka na. I-entertain mo na yung nagbe-message sa'yo or yung nag-aalok sa'yo na lumabas kayo to get to know you. You will be more open to connections, relationships, especially romantic, no? Some of you naman, maaring new beginnings pagdating sa anak ninyo, kung meron na kayong mga anak, like merong isang chapter, a new chapter in their lives na mag-o-open. So, pwedeng bagong, let's say, birthday ng anak nyo or parang bagong achievement or meron bagong phase sa buhay nila or parang, ano bang Tagalog ng phase? Hindi yung face na mukha. Yung may bagong, parang kabanata, ganon, chapter sa buhay nila. Like, for example, naging teenager na yung anak mo. Bagong kabanata na yon. Some of you naman, maaring you will tap into your creative talents and skills, especially in being seen by a lot of people, by the world. So, pwedeng yung iba sa inyo, you will try to take advantage ng social media to connect with other people, to magpalawak ng inyong network that will really help you in improving your career, your finances, or even attract romantic connections. Oo, kasi yung iba sa inyo pwedeng meron ditong magsisimula sa isang hindi ganun kaseryosong relationship and eventually, mauuwi siya sa long-term connection. Pwedeng seryoso talaga, like committed relationship, like pag-aasawa. So, it's all up to you if iti-take niyo yung opportunity na yan. But if you are single, yun nga, maaring you will try to get to know others muna. Kumbaga, andun na yung opportunity sa inyo. Let's see. You have creativity. So, for some of you, Virgo, ito ay tapping into your creative talents and skill set, yung mga abilities mo. Marami ka ngayong ideas. Pwedeng sinishare mo yan sa mga mahal mo sa buhay or business partner mo. Kinukuha mo yung kanilang advice or kung ano masasabi nila, yung inputs nila about your plans. You also have letting go. So, yung iba, you are letting go of unhealthy habits when it comes to your relationships, your connections, yung dating habits mo, or even yung unhealthy habits mo sa mga anak mo. Like, anything na sa tingin mo is hindi nakakatulong na sa pag-unlad nila or hindi nakakatulong sa welfare nila. Minsan kasi as parents, medyo nagiging na tayo, parang strict sa kanila. Even if alam natin na yung ginagawa natin is for them, sometimes hindi na naiintindihan ng bata, yun ng anak. So, I think you are going to go out of your way para mas ma-explain mo yung side mo, sarili mo sa mga anak mo, para mas maintindihan ka. Compassion, yes, you're bringing compassion in your situation, your connection, your relationships. And I also see you becoming more passionate of your craft. If you are someone na into creatives talaga, yung tipong into music, content creation, arts, kung ano-ano pa, no? na nandun ka sa iyong, you are tapping into your talents, your skill set. I see you becoming more passionate in that, and mas magiging committed ka doon. Hindi mo na isasantabi yan, yung talent mo, yung passion mo. If you have talents in acting, so ipupurso mo yan, maaring gagawa ka ng mga skits sa social media, ipopost mo, and people might appreciate it. Diba? Yeah, you have the Four of Wands, so this is stability, celebration. Pwedeng merong major celebration sa family. Yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng mag-aasawa, magpapakasal, sasama na kayo ng person mo. Ooh, major transformation, Virgo. Endings and new beginnings. Yung iba sa inyo, I see you becoming more serious sa pagnenegosyo. Yung tipong gagawa ka talaga ng paraan para makuha mo yung goal mo. Kasi before, sinubukan mo lang, but parang feeling mo, hindi mo talaga tinodo yung efforts mo. So, you have the Eight of Cups. You're going on a journey. Journey na kung saan, meron kang kailangan bigyan ng focus. Pero dapat may kailangang i-let go ka or iwanan. So, example, if you're pursuing your creative talents, your passion, your kung ano man yung passionate mo or passionate skills mo, ganyan, or whatever you are creative at, yun yung ipupurso mo. Pero kailangan mo iwanan yung regular job mo or regular gig mo. So, I think meron kang gustong i-pursue related to your life's purpose. You have the Three of Swords. So, this is not going to be easy. Okay? Hindi siya magiging madali para sa'yo, but this will lead you to a new beginning. Oo. Yung parang meron siyang kurot sa'yo. Ba, iwanan mo yung trabaho mo for your dream job, your dream career. Siyempre, medyo maaring maging emotional ka, lalo na kung matagal ka na sa company na yon, may mga naging kaibigan ka na. Yeah, and you are going to be open for healing. You are healing. You are healing your situation. Confidence is your key to success, yes. So, kung ikaw ay may tiwala sa iyong sarili, sa kakayanan mo, then definitely, magiging very successful ka. Kasi ang isa sa nagiging hadlang sa atin is yung nahihiya tayo Kasi baka makita nung o baka nakakahiya sa iba pagtawanan ako. 'Di ba? Kaya nga maraming hindi nila na-achieve yung goals nila, or yung talagang hindi sila nagiging in alignment of their purpose, of their destiny, is because nahihiya sila. Okay? But for you, you're going to be more confident. Mas magiging tiwala ka sa sarili mo. And that will lead you to your success. Okay, so that is your reading, Virgo. Thank you so much. See you again.